you guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I style my newly cut hair. Let my hair down and you're all going to see the horror. Without styling it, this hair is just... I do have a fringe, newly got it cut. And this is how it looks without it being styled. Unacceptable, cannot go out like this. I pretty much have two ways I style it. Also, I use one tool to do both. So I'm gonna share how I straighten my hair and also curl it with a straightening iron. So let's get right into this video. Ironing your hair with this kind of a haircut just gives it that crisp look. So to style my hair today, I'm going to be using the Irresistible Me Diamond Hair Straightener. The 2020 version has an auto shut off, ceramic technology, fast heat up, max temperature is 230 Celsius or 450 Fahrenheit, nanotechnology, dynamic alignment system, intelligent heat display, and it has a 360-degree cord. The crushed tourmaline embedded is a semi-precious mineral, so it's like a primer for your hair and it's going to like lock in the heat. After attaching it to the power source, you want to press the button on the inside to start it. As you can see, the temperature is rising. My hair is naturally wavy. Comb out any knots. Now section your hair from the top of your ear and get the bottom two parts in front. Now all I do is slide my comb through my hair, and in the other hand I have my hair iron which I clasp my hair with, and this is just something that I do 3 to 4 times till I get my desired straight look. It's very simple because it's like combing your hair, and once I've taken smaller sections and got my hair, kind of pin straight, I go in with bigger sections and then just cover up whatever is, uneven. So as you can see now, both the sides, there's a huge difference. There's so much less frizz on the side that I've used the straightener on, because it adds an extra shine to your hair and just makes it look so much healthier. Like I've just got out of the salon and, got some hair treatment done. Now for my fringe, what I do is I comb it in front and simply put my hair under my fringe and clasp it with my hair iron. I do this 2 to 3 times, not a lot, and in the end I just give it one last curl, and this is what gives it that nice bounce. And this is how the finished product looks. Sometimes I like to leave it just like this, but other times I like to go with curling my hair, and here is how I do it. So I section my hair just like last time. Next I take a small section, hold your hair straight and clasp the hair iron at the top. Twist it once and make sure that the remaining hair strand is outwards, that means away from you, and then simply slide your hair iron through the hair. So just clasp the hair iron from as high as you want your curl to start and simply twist either outwards or inwards, again depending on what type of curl you want. So I've colored my hair with a semi-permanent hair color, and so my hair is not as smooth as a non-colored hair, and that's why the hair iron is having a little difficulty going through completely smoothly. One very important thing to remember is not to shut your hair iron too hard or put too much pressure when you're holding it and sliding it down, because if it's pressed too hard, then it's going to be very difficult for you to slide your hair through it. I forget too sometimes, but you just got to remind yourself, it's not about how hard you press down on the iron, it's more about the technique. Also, if you do see smoke, there's nothing to be alarmed. Our hair has natural oils and it's completely normal when you're using a hot tool. Just make sure you're not leaving the hair iron in one place for too long, because that is what is going to burn your hair. So whatever you're doing, even if you're stuck, you're not understanding how to do it, just make sure you're sliding it through, leaving it, letting it cool down for a bit, and maybe trying again on another strand while the other strand cools down. So that's it. Went ahead and did my whole hair just like this. There are many types of curls you can do, but this is something that I like personally, and if you're looking for like a feminine, delicate look, these curls are super pretty, and that's how I do my hair. Spray your hair with some hairspray so that it's set, some hair mousse, and you're all done. So those were the 2 ways that I usually style my hair in. They're really simple, but I felt like I want to share this with you all in case you're planning to get this kind of a haircut. It's high maintenance, so make sure that you're ready to put in the work to style it every second day or whenever you wash your hair, for it to look presentable. The hair curling isn't as simple. It will take practice. So, watch a lot of tutorials. That's what I did. If you did like it and if you did learn something new, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe and hit the bell button. And if you guys didn't enjoy it, then give it a thumbs down and leave a comment below letting me know what videos y'all would like to see so I can keep that in mind for future videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.